Hi everyone! So, now we're here at Belmont Hotel. I cannot imagine na sobrang magiging traveler ako this year. So I just went from Coron, Palawan last week. So if you'll see my skin, tan na siya, which I love. Pero bakat yung snorkeling gears. Hindi na siya halata sa camera, pero bakat yung snorkeling gears dahil sa Coron. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung snorkeling. So mapapanood yun sa previous vlog. And I don't know if i-upload ko ba siya or hindi. Kasi unti lang yung clip. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung Coron, Palawan. Somehow, the most enjoyable moment ko sa island. And at the same time, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung tour and snorkeling feels. Ganon. So, tomorrow, we're going to Siargao. So, this is Saturday. I don't know, the trip is very spontaneous. So my uncle just went here sa Philippines kasi resident siya sa Australia. Pumunta siya dito for a vacation. Sabi ko, okay, let's go mag-vacation tayo. So the vacation kami for 5 days sa Siargao, and I'm so excited kung ano ma-offer na Siargao. I want to be surprised. That's why wala akong any idea about the Siargao except for the nightclub, which I'm very excited about kasi yun ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat. And I don't know kung may enjoy ko siya alone kasi I'm with the adults. So, we'll see. And now, we're currently here at Belmont Hotel for 1 night stay for tomorrow para just to meet Tito lang. Kasi ngayon yung flight niya and tomorrow pa yung Siargao namin. So, yun. Para magkaroon rin siya ng time for him to rest and everything. So, yun. Anyway, magro-room tour muna pala ako kasi this one is near the airport. So, we'll just go to the airport agad-agad. So, it's the easiest way. Kaya, dito kami nagstay. So, yun. Let's go! So, guys, this is the outside. Hiya pa siya magsalita talaga. So, kapag pasok mo, merong full body mirror dito. And, dito yung CR. So, sa CR, nandito yung toilet bowl. This is very, hindi ko alam, medyo ano ako dito. Bakit may phone here? I don't know what's the purpose here. But maybe those cool people, nagtatawagan sila. I don't know. But anyway, ito, may mirror din. And also yung lavabo. And they have free kits here, shampoos, soaps. So, ayan yung shower area. And paglabas natin dito, meron tayong closet. Pero dahil tamad si Self, nandito siya. Ayan. So, I'm with my tita. Very, for the, ano lang siya dyan, for the rest. So, meron ding TV dito. Hindi ko alam kung medyo nahihilo na kayo. Tapos dito yung bed ko. So, we get the twin bed. Para hindi ako manggulo later. Pero hindi naman ako makakatulog mamaya. So, this will be my working area for tonight. So, I'll be up until 6 a.m. Then we will fly going to Cebu and to Siargao. So, this is our view here. So, may church dyan sa baba na hindi ko alam kung ano. So, ayan. Ayan ang view namin.
Take you down to where
ay nakapag-bill ng more than 700. May tumbler kami. Yeah. Hello everyone! So, we're currently here in Siargao. Hindi na ako nakapag-update yesterday, pero sobrang okay naman yung flight namin and going here sa hotel. Puyo is actually a good accommodation for this. Pretty wide naman and big yung room namin. So, good siya. And now, pupunta kami sa Cloud9 for sunset viewing. I hope mayroon kaming makita doon na sunset. But it's actually sunny here in Siargao. But in Manila, I think it's rainy. It's a good weather. And ready na ako mangitim at maging pantay ang kulay. Dahil hindi siya naging pantay sa Coron trip ko. So ngayon papantayin natin siya. Pero yun, so ang ginawa namin kaninang umaga is namalengke kami ng mga goodies na pwede naming kainin, gamitin sa hotel stay namin. And downtime, nag-lunch kami sa, I don't know, pero flash na lang. And then ngayon, pupunta kami sa Cloud9. Yay! Let's go! We're here sa very famous nilang coconut view deck. Ayan. Hey! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ay, iba na yun. Okay, let's go! Hi, this is vlog. So we're here currently in Sugba Lagoon and I must say the clear is very clear. Mali pala, the water is very clear. Ay, magkakayak lang kami kasi maganda daw dito sa lagoon. So syempre magpapa-auto kami kasi mga turista kami. So yun. Guys, super ganda dito sa side na to. So grabe. Pang lokal na ang aking skin. So now we're here at Maasin River. Look at the view. Guys, so kung nagtataka kayo bakit ang greeny ng video ngayon. So kakatapos ko lang mag-work. So I'm here in the co-working space. Now going home. So I will just look for a tricycle. Kasi hindi tayo marunong magmotor. Kaya hindi tayo nagrenta ng motor. Diba? So yun. book itself. So yung bumababa sila. Ako yung nasa unahan eh. This is our first stop, the Naked Island. It's so very hot. It's just naked. It's just literally a naked island. So yeah. Umitim agad ako kahit maulan. Parang bumakat na naman yung snorkeling gears. So yun, nag-snorkeling lang din ako doon. Wala namang something. I think wala pa rin katalo sa Bantayan at Coron in terms of corals. But ngayon umuulan. We're here at Guyam Island. Pero dito sa Guyam Island, magla-lunch din kami. Umuulan ngayon, but I think it's fun kasi umuulan while swimming. Though nangyari siya before sa Virgin Island na nagbantayan kami. But the thing here is hindi ko nadala yung, hindi, actually nawala siya nung nagkoron kami, yung iPhone kong waterproof na case para makapag-video ng ayos, makapag-vlog. Hindi ko siya nadala dahil late akong nakabili sa TikTok ulit. So nag-repurchase lang ako ng bago kasi mas gusto ko yun. Meron silang yung may plastic pero hindi siya maayos tignan. Kaya it's a no for me. Hindi siya good for vlog. But anyway, we're at mga cottages dito. Our next stop, it's a Guyam Island. So Guyam is a kind of bird that it actually lives here, pero hindi na daw siya existent. So and that's why it's called Guyam. And look at the view. I so love it. This is the famous burger here in Guyam Island. So this is a secret burger. How I wish na nasa secret island kami. Naman, this is their, anong tawag dito tita? Secret Guyam shake. Yeah, so this is a secret Guyam shake. I just don't know. Basta secret siya. Bala na kayo. Where's my wife? So hey, it's our last day here in Siargao and I don't know if I'll be back. Pero kasi may free ticket na sa event. So we'll see. Ngayon we're eating in La Mesa before we go home. So our van is picking us up 1 to 1:30 p.m. That's it. you